What's up, guys? It's your boy Kai. And I forgot to say good morning. Good morning, guys. I'm playing work at the pizza place, and look, no one subscribed to me. So didn't subscribe to me. I watch my one channel here, and I'm voice screen recording. Let's screen. I told them that I'm voice recording. Now one chef that is lazy to cook. No! What did you do? Make it dirty, make that dirty for my Robux. Okay, I have 0. Because I'm a kid. I'm 7. No one is I told manager that I'm voice recording. What did you do? What's that? Don't eat those. That's a glitch! That's a glitch! I'm gonna dance the shuffle. This is not the shuffle. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna break. Bro, it's coming! Bro, it's gonna. Okay. Kick. I'm gonna, what if I break your cup? I'm gonna break your cup. Hey, joke, no. No! Why did you quit your job? No ice. No. McDonald's. Are you? I only like cheese pizza in real life. I hate the topping so much. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Go. I can talk. A, B, D, D, E. Where's my job? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Happy birthday. Oh, happy birthday to you. You are handsome. dog. Yes. Well, see, why is my internet slow? Because of the rain here in the Roblox. Amanda and Liam. Where are you? Shit. Bro, what just mean the manager now? What police? Will be all police left. So manager and me are the only one. Yo, the gift is floating. Yay, double time. Yes sir. Yay! Can I be the manager? Who's the manager now? Why can't I be the manager? Nah, I'm not even the manager. Manager job is now open. And bro can't even get in. Help! Now I'm gonna leave him. Yay! Bonus for you. I'll give you bonus there. Hey guys, if you want to join me, if you want to join me in the SCP-3008 challenge, you need to subscribe to me and follow me. Buy my merch. I will create my own merch. No, I almost got on fire. The time. Oh no, this girl's head is literally a ball. Balls. Bro, it's loading. Bro is loading. Go away. Here's the boss. Here's the boss. Look at this dude. Bro is the check. It's just doing that sugar. Bro, that's sauce. That's sauce. No, she's not talking to anyone. She is talking to the wall. Joking, she's talking to the door. Make it up. Check it out. Why is this not? Help me. Jojo, what happened? What happened to you? This is not me. Oh wait, remember that was my hair. So I removed it. Now I'm a bacon. Because I missed my old avatar. But I just break this here. Lock it. I'm just gonna go here and do what. Hello, what do you want? Do you want poop? I'm joking. Bye. Hey yo, what happened to the car? What happened to the car? I'm gonna tweak. Hey yo. Bro, what happened? What's that glass? Yo, someone must have glass. Yeah, yeah, you deserve that for breaking the glass. You don't know how to cook. She doesn't know how to cook. She doesn't know how to Oh, let me get bonus. With chop. Oh, do you punch? I think I see you. I think I see you. Nah, please stop brown out. Nah. I'm gonna check outside, guys. Wait. Guys, it was just dirt outside. Okay. I need. Mom, I cried. I cried no blood. Oh, so sad. What are you? Bro, why is everyone's pants blue? It's light blue. And what? That's not how you sit. Anyway, girls here. Oh, yes, umbrella for you to become sauce. My face is still. What am I gonna do? What banana? Yeah. Yes. Girl voice. Nah. Wait, I'm still the employee of the day. Hey yo, I'm still the employee of the day. Wait, is that Kinito? And the pizza? Pizza and a Kinito. The sauce. Oh, I just want to eat. Guys, I'm gonna buy some. The time was lost. I'm gonna buy this. Yeah! Finally! Yes, I got this. Wait, I wasted my money. For the timer. But I still need the gravity coil. I will not go home. I don't want to go home because I need many money. in Roblox. Bro, why? Leon! What is that? A raccoon? Wait, don't you dare. Please, that raccoon with one in your head. The player has been sent back to work. Yo, someone tried to remove me. Wow, that was so... Girl, what did you do? I don't know. Did you do that? Yes, I'm spider. I was just mine. Don't mind him. Bro, still on. Why? He's gonna die. Cool if he died. Bro died. What do you think you're doing? What do you think you are doing? Where's my speak to manager? No, let's sell him. Just lol. No. This is my house. I guess I'm gonna reset. So I can go back to the restaurant. Good, I'm in the restaurant. What happened? That was... What are you doing? How are you? The dog is so cute, but that's not the coolest one ever. The fur one. Ow, what? Curtain waiter. Why you breathe? Paper sword. What should I buy? Oh, let me buy the paint. Yes, I got the paint. Yeah, yo, what are you doing? Nothing's happening to the car. Oh, so this is the leaderboards. No story. I'm gonna pick the button. I'm gonna do funny too, please.